So we're going to be looking at the Lockpicking Summoner in this build. Now this one is a bit different of a summoner in that it doesn't really have a strong way to fight mobs, but that's not really why you're going to be playing this tune. So the reason I even have the Dark Guardian on this build, the summoner build, is just so I can pull a whole bunch of mobs and get them out of the way for the chests that I want to be picking. So there's a lot of different builds that you can do to dungeon lockpick. For example, you could use a stealther and actually go to them, pick them, remove trap, take all the loot out of them, and you would never have to even come out of stealth for that. And in another video, I'll show you a build like that. However, for this one's kind of just like a hit and run. You rush in there, grab the chest, rush out. And the reason I like this one better is because you can check real quick if the chests are actually there and someone else hasn't picked them. You can pick them and you can just move on to the next top tier area. So you don't kind of have to like wait around for that stealther and try to avoid mobs and whatnot. So the skills in this build are pretty straightforward. I'm not going to go over the summoner skills and the reason why we have those. You can see those in the other videos like the poison summoner or the provo summoner. But for this one, we do have those summoning skills. We have the Spirit Speak, the Meditation, the Major, and the Animal Lore. But on this one, now we have Peacemaking and Musicianship, as well as Lockpicking. And so the reason we have those is that if a mob does get in my way, I can quickly piece it and move on with the chests. So there's not really much else to that. The Lockpicking is there to unlock the chests. And to avoid the trap, we're going to be using Telekinesis, which is a majory skill. So that being said, let's give it a shot.